already starting your car baronji, and it's dying you big time. Did you know that 46% of car repairs could have been avoided just by using your car properly? One of the biggest culprits, how you start your car. So if you hate wasting money, listen up. Never start your car like this. In this video, we're breaking it into 3 simple parts. Common mistakes, special tips for older cars, and what was I thinking? Mistakes that can cost thousands. Stay until the end, because the final mistake might be the biggest wallet drainer of them all. Mistake number 1. Ignoring dashboard warnings and engine noises. We get it. The check engine light pops on, and most people shrug it off. 99% of the time, nothing major. But that 1% could total your engine. The moment you see a warning light or hear strange sounds, grab an OBD2 scanner. Knocking or grinding, engine trouble. Squealing, probably a loose belt. Grinding while shifting, transmission issue. Humming, could be low lubrication or a failing transmission. Even if your scanner shows nothing, don't ignore it. Turn off the car. Check your manual to see how serious it is. Some new cars have been shutting off while driving, including 2016 to 2020 Nissan Rogue, 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco Sport, 2014 GMC Sierra, and 10 different Mercedes-Benz models from 2021 to 2023. Bottom line, if something sounds off, don't risk it. Get it checked before restarting. Mistake number 2, not checking your fluids. Once upon a time, every driver checked fluids before driving. Now, we've gotten lazy, trusting our dashboards. But dashboards warn you when it's already too late. There are 6 fluids you need to check regularly. Engine oil, coolant, power steering fluid, brake fluid, transmission fluid, windshield washer fluid. Usually once a month is fine, but check more often if your car burns oil. Brands notorious for burning oil: Audi, Performance BMWs, 2007 Camry, 2010 to 2013 Acura RDX, Subaru Impreza and Forester. If your engine oil runs low, it won't lubricate properly. Heat builds up. You'll hear knocking or pinging. If you ignore the oil pressure light, you're risking complete engine failure. A simple visual check can save you from a $4,000 $10,000 engine replacement. Mistake number 3. Starting in extreme weather without prep. Extreme temperatures are a nightmare for cars. In cold weather, the oil moves slower. The battery struggles. Fuel systems freeze. Alternators fail. In heat, everything's under extra strain. Biggest mistake, revving the engine immediately after a cold start. Here's why. A turbo spins at 20,000 RPM at idle. But rev it, it jumps to 300,000 RPM. If oil hasn't circulated fully, even a second of oil starvation can kill your turbo. And a turbo replacement? $1,500 $5,500. The fix? Let the car idle 30 seconds to 1 minute before revving, especially in winter. In temps below -15 degrees Celsius. Use a block heater for 4+ hours before starting. In heat, always check coolant levels before starting. Driving with an overheated engine can blow a head gasket. That's $1,400 to fix, if you're lucky. Mistake number 4. Cranking the starter too long. When your car doesn't start, it's tempting to just keep cranking. But here's the danger. Never crank more than 15 seconds at a time, 30 max for rare cases. Each long crank drains the battery and overheats the starter. Burnt starter motor, couple $100. Flooded engine, even worse. If it doesn't start after 3 tries, stop and troubleshoot. Weak battery, bad spark plugs, fuel injectors clogged, bad fuel pump, faulty crankshaft sensor. Pro tip for older cars with carburetors: press the gas once while cranking to help it fire up. If it still won't start, you'll want what's in the next section. Perfect. Here's part 2 of the adapted script, second half plus CTAs. Mistake number 5, not turning off accessories before starting. There's an old myth: turn off the radio, AC, and lights before starting your car. Modern cars, don't worry about it. They're built with relays to prevent electrical surges. Power is automatically prioritized for the starter motor. But if you're driving a classic car, a Fiat, MG, or Chrysler with electrical gremlins, yes, turn off accessories to avoid draining power or frying circuits. Also a good idea if your battery's already weak. Mistake number 6, driving without warming up for carbureted cars. For modern fuel-injected cars, you can drive off right away, but carbureted engines need time for fuel and air to mix properly. Revving too soon can flood the engine or make it stall, especially in cold weather. Let it warm up 1 minute minimum. In freezing temps, up to 10 minutes. Don't push the gas hard until fully warmed. The only exception, a car that's been sitting idle for months. Mistake number 7, starting a car that's been idle for months without inspection. Ever watch movies where someone finds an old car, throws in a battery, and it starts? Yeah, that's Hollywood. In reality, a car sitting for months needs a pre-start inspection. Check battery voltage with a multimeter. Top off or replace fluids. Inspect tires for flat spots and cracks. Check for rust, rodents, or chewed wires. Drain old fuel or use a stabilizer. Only then should you try to start it. And when you do, let it idle longer than usual to circulate the fluids. And if you see corrosion on the battery terminals, mistake number 8, ignoring battery terminal corrosion. That white, green, or blue powder on your battery, it's corrosion. Left alone, it blocks electrical current and ruins connections. Use a wire brush to scrub it off. Use a terminal cleaner or baking soda plus water to neutralize it. Repeat for any connected cables. Ignoring it weakens your battery and damages your electrical system. Mistake number 9, skipping scheduled maintenance. Sure, maintenance adds up. The average driver spends $1,500/year on maintenance and tires alone. But skipping maintenance, a blown gasket from old oil, $1,500 repair. Engine damage from dirty fuel, $5,000 plus repair. Stay on schedule. Check fluids, filters, and wear parts regularly. Saving $100 today can cost you thousands tomorrow. Mistake number 10, trusting StartStop systems too much. That StartStop system promising 10% fuel savings. It's burning out your starter motor and AGM battery faster. Starter and battery replacements cost double. Plus, there's a safety concern. That tiny lag when the engine restarts has caused accidents. Turn off the system manually if your car allows it. Or install a bypass module. It won't void your warranty unless it causes a malfunction. Mistake number 11, turning the key again after the car's already started. We've all done it. You forget the engine's on and turn the key again. You'll hear that horrible grinding noise. Once or twice, no big deal. But keep doing it, you'll wear out the starter motor and flywheel teeth. A flywheel replacement, $1,200 plus. If you're not sure if the engine's on, turn it off and restart safely instead of risking it. Mistake number 12, Starting your car with the wrong fuel or oil. 1 in 5 drivers admits they've misfueled at least once. If you put gasoline in a diesel car, do note StartStop. Starting will circulate gas into the fuel pump and injectors, damaging them. Repairs. $500 $1,500. Push the car aside and call for a towel to drain the tank safely. Wrong engine oil. Drain it immediately. Continuing to drive could destroy seals or even the engine itself. And engine replacements aren't cheap. $4,000 $10,000. Whether it's a small oversight or a costly myth, these tips will help you start your car right, protect your engine, and avoid unnecessary repairs. What's the biggest car mistake you've ever made? Drop it in the comments. Want more car-saving hacks? Watch our video, 7 turbo mistakes that will kill your engine fast. Thinking of upgrading? Check out 17 cars that never break down for the most reliable rides. Smash that like button if you learned something new, and hit subscribe so you never missed a money-saving tip.